Hello, how to use the Harman Kardon Go Play 3 speaker. To begin, turn on the speaker by pressing the power button. You will see the white indicator, which will then start flashing blue. If not, the speaker may be low on battery. Connect it to a power source using the included cable. The indicators show the battery level status. The next step is to connect Bluetooth to your device. First, let's check if Bluetooth is turned on or off. Need to turn on? From the provided list, select our speaker. After connection, the indicator on the speaker will change from blue to white. This indicates a successful connection. On the touch panel, you'll find volume buttons and a phone icon for calls. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you liked the video, subscribe to ensure our channel appears first in search results for troubleshooting.